Jaya in his second incarnation on earth was born as Ravana, a master of the Vedas, a ruler of immense power but consumed by ego. He had forgotten the Lord he once served. And his brother Vijaya was born as Kumbhakarna, a being of immense strength who knew the truth, yet chose loyalty over dharma. To bring them back, the Supreme descended as Rama, not just to destroy evil, but to liberate it. When Ravana abducted Sita, he did not challenge a man, he challenged the Supreme. Jatayu rose to defend dharma and fell in sacrifice. As Rama reached him, Jatayu spoke his final words, revealing Ravana and the path to Lanka. In grief, Rama honored him as a father. Soon, destiny brought him to Hanuman. In that moment, devotion met the divine, and the path to Lanka was set. To restore dharma, Rama ended Vali, not in anger but in justice, and gained the alliance with Sugriva, which would change everything. With Rama's name in his heart, Hanuman leapt across the ocean, not driven by power, but by devotion. Every wave, every wind carried him forward, for he was not going alone, he carried Rama's mission. In the silence of the Ashoka grove in Lanka, he found Sita, unbroken, unshaken, in her devotion. Falling at her feet, Hanuman revealed Rama's ring, and in that moment, hope returned. Even in Lanka, dharma remained. Vibhishana surrendered, and Rama declared, "Whoever seeks refuge in me, even once I shall protect them." The war began. Not just a battle, but destiny unfolding for two souls awaiting liberation. Kumbhakarna entered the battlefield like a mountain. He knew who Rama was, yet chose loyalty. And when he fell, he was not destroyed. He was liberated. Now, only Ravana remained. Rama invoked the Brahmastra, not in anger, but in dharma. Ravana stood in pride, but in his final moment, he saw the truth, not an enemy, but the Lord of Vakuha. When the arrow struck, it did not destroy him, it released Jaya from the cycle of birth. Rama stood calm, not as a conqueror, but as the giver of liberation. Even in enmity, the Lord grants moksha. With Ravana gone, dharma was restored in Lanka. Rama crowned Vibhishana, not as a king of power, but as a ruler of dharma. And with dharma restored, Rama and Sita returned to Ayodhya, not just as a victor, but as the ideal king, establishing righteousness for all time.